Hello class, welcome again. In previous video, I have already told to you about the significant figure, scientific notation and three-dimensional method. Scientific notation and significant number are used to minimize the error, okay, to minimize the uncertainty in measurement that I have already told to you in previous video. Today, we will do some question related to three-dimensional method, significant figure and scientific notation. But first of all, I will tell you how can we minimize the significant figure. It's also a very important topic. How can minimize the significant figure? How can minimize the significant figure? What is in this topic? First of all, understand what is in this topic, what we will teach in this topic. Suppose it's a number 1.2308, okay? And I'm asking to you how many significant figures present in this number. You will easily tell me the answer. Here significant figure is 5. Okay. This is the definite number. It's the indefinite number. Okay. So the significant figure in this number is 5. And now I'm asking to you that convert it into the 4 significant figure. Convert it into the 4 significant figure, then you will have to remove this number. And what are the rules to remove the last number if I need to minimize the significant figure? So today we will study how can we minimize the significant figure, what are the rules to remove the last number, okay? So let's understand carefully. What are the rules? Okay? Very simple topic. Rule number first. What is the rule number first? If the removable number is more than 5, if the removable number is more than 5, then to remove the 5 or after the removing the 5, we will add 1 just before present the number on this number, okay? So if the removable number is more than 5, then after removing it, we will add 1 just before it, okay? Let's understand. For example, 1.0238. Here significant figure is 5. I want to convert it into the 4 significant figure, then you will have to remove the 8. And 8 is more than 5. So how can you convert it into the 4 significant figure? If you remove the number 8, then you will have to add 1 in 3. Then your answer will be 1.024, and here significant figure is 4. That will be the answer for this, okay? So this is the first rule. And in rule number second, if the removable number is less than 5, if the removable number is less than 5, then we do not change anything after removing this number. We do not change anything after remove that number, okay? If the removable number is less than 5, then we do not change anything to removing it. Okay, for example 1.2344, you know very well here significant figure is 5. Okay, here significant figure is 5. I want to convert it into the 4 significant figure, then you will have to remove the 4. 4 is less than 5, then we do not change anything in this number, then your answer will be 1.234. Here significant number is 4. Understand? Okay, rule number 3. If the removable number is 5, then what will we do? If the removable number is 5 and just before 8 there is homo number, just before 8, then we do not change anything to removing it. Okay, if the removable number is 5 and there is homo number just before 8, then there is no changes to remove after remove it. Okay, suppose here 1 2 3 4 5, what will be the significant number? The significant number for it, 5, and I am asking to you convert it into the 4 significant figure, then you will have to remove the 5 and see the number present just before 5, 4, and 4 is the homo number. 4 is the homo number, so there will be nothing change. Okay, so your answer will be 1.234. Here the significant figure is 4. Okay, and the last rule number 4. If the removable number is 5 but just before it there is any hetero number, then we will add 1 after removing the 5. Here it's very important. Okay, if the removable number is 5 and just before 8 there is any hetero number, then 1 is added after removing the 5. Okay, let's see the example. 1.2375, here the significant number is 5. I want to convert it into the 4 significant figure, then you will have to remove the 5 and there is the hetero number just before the 5, then after removing the 5 we will add the 1 in 7, so your answer will be 1.238. okay, and here the significant figure is 4. So these are the rules to minimize the significant figure. Okay, so first you take the screenshot for this, then we will do the some question. I will do some question to find the significant figure. First of all, we will do the question related to significant figure. Okay, first of all, take the screenshot for this. Okay, take it. Okay. Okay, I am giving to you 10 significant questions related to significant figure, and the test will be 10 marks. You will find the result by yourself. Okay, I am writing the question, and you will find the significant figure, and I will tell you the answer of it. Okay, नंबर लिख दूंगा मैं यहाँ एंड सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. Find out the significant figures. Do these questions. Okay. So first of all, do this question, then I will tell you the answer. Okay, do the questions yourself. Pause the video and do the question. Okay, did it? Okay, now match your answer, and you will announce your result by yourself, and tell me after declaring the result, you will tell me your marks. Okay, promise? Okay. Here 1.320. This 0 is after the point, so this 0 will be included in significant figure. So here significant figure is 4. Match your answer. Here significant figure is 4. Okay. 33 pen. It is the counting of pen, and in previous video I have already told to you, in the counting of any number there will be the infinite significant figure. So here significant figure is infinite. Here significant figure, same question, here significant figure is 5, here 2. The 0 just present before non-zero number is not included in significant figure, so here significant figure is only 2. Here significant figure will also be 2. Here 0 is present after the non-zero number. Okay, but there is no decimal or point, so the 0 will not be included in significant figure. Here decimal or point present, so all the 0 will be counted in significant figure. Here significant figure will be 5. Okay, here these 2 0 present before non-zero number, so these 0 will not be included, but this 0 will be included because here is the point. Okay, So according to rule, there will be 3 significant figure. These are the all non-zero number, very simple. So here 5 significant figure, here 2 significant figure. Okay, the zero before non-zero number, whether maybe they are point or not, will not be included in significant figure, but are the 0% after non-zero number will depend upon this, and here point decimal, so this 0 will be counted. So here significant figure will be 2. Okay, 32 books. 32 books is the counting of books. So in the number, counting number, there will be infinite significant figure. So your result will be here infinite. Okay, so match the answer and announce the result. You will tell me, you will message me from your WhatsApp that how many numbers you scored. Okay, you will message me. So here the some question related to significant figure. I'm now giving to you a question related to how can we minimize the significant figure. Okay, I'm giving to a question. One 108. Here significant number is 4. I am giving to you the question. Convert it into 3 significant figure. Here significant figure you know very well. Here significant figure is 4. Convert it into the 3 significant figure. Some students by mistake remove the 8 and think that 8 is more than 5. So after removing the 8, we will add 1 here and give the answer 111. It's the wrong answer, because you have did the large mistake. You have did the large mistake. 110 at all these here the definite number, and I have already told to you your results should be precision or accurate. 1108 and 111, there is very difference between these two numbers. अरे आपको एक तो ये कहे कि 1108 रुपये है आपके पास में, आपको ये कहे कि 111 यानी 111 रुपये आपके पास में, तो रात दिन का अंतर हो गया, हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Okay, so your result should be precision or accurate. Okay, so how then think how can we convert it into the 3 significant figure? First of all, write it into the scientific notation, and I have already told to you how can we write it into the scientific notation. You take one number, the definite, and the another number indefinite. 1 into 10 to the power 3. Can I write it? Okay. After here the significant number is 4. Now you can remove the 8, and after removing the 8 you will have to add 1 because 8 is more than 5. So your answer will be 1.11 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, I can write it 1110. There is the precision value. Okay, this is the precision value. It is the closest value of this. Here the significant figure is 3, and here the significant figure is 4. Okay, so your result should be in precision or accurate. Now I am going to a question related to 3-dimensional method. Okay, so are you ready? I am giving to a question related to 3-dimensional method, and the question is convert 2 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter into nanometer. Okay, so pause the video and do this question by yourself. Pause the video and do this question by yourself. Did it? Okay, now I am telling you the answer. First, convert the centimeter into the meter. You know very well 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Write it into the three-dimensional method. Write it into the three-dimensional method or unit method. How can you write it? 1 meter upon 10 to the power 2 centimeter is equal to 1 is equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter upon 1 meter. Okay, and you know very well the relation between meter and nanometer. 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 9 nanometer, and convert it into the three-dimensional method or unit method. How can you convert it? 1 meter upon 10 to the power 9 nanometer is equal to 1 is equal to 10 to the power 9 nanometer upon 1 meter. Okay, now first 2 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter will equals to first convert it into the meter. So take this 1 meter upon 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Then convert meter into nanometer. So multiply it from it 10 to the power 9 nanometer upon 1 meter. And how many centimeter present is here? 2 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter. Okay. So the unit centimeter cancel, meter cancel. So what the unit will be remain here? Nanometer. Okay, 10 to the power 2. It will be 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so there will be 10 to the power 1. Okay, and the answer will be 2 into 10 to the power 10 nanometer present in 2 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter. Means 2 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter will equals to 2 into 10 to the power 10 nanometer. That will be the answer for this question. Okay, so how do you like this video? Please like the video. Okay, and in next video there will be some rules related to chemical combination. So in next video I will tell you some rules related to chemical combination. So keep watching the video. The other video or the further video will be very important. Keep watching the video and stay in the class, stay at home. Okay, thank you so much.